We're at Jack's Creek Marina on Upper Lake Marion today looking at giant Salvinia, which is the newest invasive plant we have on the Santee Cooper system. It's considered by many the worst aquatic plant worldwide. This is giant Salvinia, which is our most recent invader. Kind of zooming in on it a little bit, you'll see that these little hairs are shaped like egg beaters. You can see they're kind of in clusters. It has root-like structures on it as well that are not really roots, they're actually leaves. They actually pull up nutrients from the water, and it's a free-floating plant, just floats around wherever it wants to go, doesn't need to be connected to the soil at all. And we just found this plant in Lake Marion back in July. So it's really taken off quickly. But it's a very small plant, but can grow in very large mats covering a lot of acres. You can see the slightly larger leaves, that's giant Salvinia, and it literally is mixed all in here. If you just look around, all throughout this entire area, as far back as you can see back into these trees, has giant Salvinia mixed in with the duckweed, and that's going to be a significant problem because, as you can see, it's going to be almost impossible to get back in these trees and try to treat this vegetation. You can see, even in this area where we treated, you can see small fish swimming around. The chemicals that we use are EPA approved for using in public water bodies such as these. They do not cause any harm to the fish or invertebrates that swim in these areas. We're really going to need assistance from people around the lake, people who visit the lake. If they see this plant when they're out fishing, boating, along their shoreline, off their dock, they need to call Santee Cooper or DNR and report it so we can make arrangements to get in and try to get rid of it to keep it from spreading even further.